Hello! In this video we are going to be talking about how to take measurements of a basement window insert in order to know the dimensions of the replacement window you are going to buy. The first thing we need to do is to take out the basement window to measure it. This window has metal clips here and here, but they might be elsewhere on your window because the clips are made to slide along the top of the window. Press down on the clips and tilt the window in. You can grip the window, lift up, and you can set it aside for measuring. The measurements we will need on the window itself are the width of the window from tip to tip, as well as the height from tip to tip. The last measurement that we need is the drop measurement of the buck frame. This measurement is measured from the frame to the top of the lip here, and then we can see where the lip and the measuring tape meet. Once you know these three measurements, you can rest assured that whatever window you order will fit your basement insert. When you replace a single pane window with a double pane window, it adds more insulation to your home, which means that you can save money on both heating and cooling costs. If you have any questions about ordering your replacement window, you can leave a comment on the bottom of this video, or you can call us at allaboutdoors.com.